people see fields, others see the future.
Because agriculture today is not limited to tractors and farms anymore. It is powered by technology, research, innovation, and big ideas. And that's exactly what you get at GLA University.
Here, learning doesn't stay inside four walls. You learn in labs, in fields, through research, and through real experiences that prepare you for the modern agriculture world.
From BSc Agriculture to MSc Agriculture and PhD programs, every course is designed to turn students into future-ready professionals.
With ICAR accredited programs, advanced facilities, expert mentorship, and practical exposure, students here don't just study agriculture, they innovate it.
So if you want a career that connects science, sustainability, and real-world impacts, your future starts here.